Okay, so this is a quick video. I'm showing you exactly what I do to create a post. So I've done this now 5th time. It's just for some reason it's not saving. So if I'm going to create a post on TikTok, what I do is I'll go and have a look at something. So I go on to Faceless Flipping. As you can see, I'm on 3 of them. So I'm on VIP and the Inner Circle as well. So on the Faceless Flipping, I'll copy and paste this. You'll see where in a minute. I take the images that I want. So I quite liked this one. I've already done this video, so I'm just showing you what I picked. So I picked a couple, that one and that one. I picked that one there. Then this one, that one, and then a couple of football. So after doing that, I went over to TikTok, went to create video, click on the post. As you can see here, it's showing you photo and all that. So you got templates. So I always go for a template that has, 6 to 7 clips on it. So I'm going to use this one for now. So as you can see, I'm going to pick just random pictures. These are the ones that I haven't downloaded. I've already posted ones earlier. So I'm just going to, I'm just picking some. Okay. So if I just pick some, so it's asking me to pick one more. So if I go and choose, instead of 7 clips, I want 5. So you can see it's just using the templates here. So I always use this one here. I always use this one. Okay, so this one's got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I always use this. Take the original sound off. You always have to use Johnny Diggins. They tell you to use Johnny Diggins. So go on to Johnny Diggins, click on download, make sure you love it like you did. I'm going to turn it off for a minute. Then you need to add the POV, point of view. So I'll copy and paste that exactly there. I normally get rid of this. Then I normally write POV, and then I copy the whole of this text, go straight to ChatGPT, type it in here. Can you make this better? You live in Tuscan in the year 1982. And it comes up with the story for me. Then I add bits to it if I need it to be added, like playing football. Can you add playing football? So then it adds that. So then I select the text. Make sure you don't select the quotation marks. I copy this, take it straight from that back to here, and then I edit the text. Paste it, make sure it's big enough that people can see. And then once I've finished, bring the text a little bit smaller, not too small, but enough so it doesn't touch this over here, touch this up here. As you can see, as you go closer towards something, it says follow you. You go closer this way, you can sort of see all the little icons down here. So you can place it anywhere, but you need it to be seen in the video. Then you click on next. You go to edit cover, pick a scene that you're happy with. So I was happy with this. Pull that down so then people can see the actual point of view. Click on save, go to description. You know what I'm going to put in description? I'm going to put those hashtags. So then go over to my notes, 80s hashtags, double tap, copy, and then head over to description, click on description, paste it. Then I click on post. That is it. So that's all you need to do. So how easy was that? It was really easy. So that's all you need to do now. Just go ahead and do something as simple as that. That's all you need to do with Faceless Flipping. That's how simple they've made things.